Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. DTC B1647 refers to a fault in the passenger's door left front LF antenna circuit in the Honda Accord 2023 model. This diagnostic trouble code indicates that the body control module has detected an earth fault in the LF antenna line. The body control module plays a vital role in overseeing various electrical functions in the vehicle, including the antenna circuit, which is crucial for keyless entry and other electronic features. The circuit being monitored is integrated with the front passenger's door's outer handle. When an earth fault occurs, a short circuit condition arises, causing the body control module to store this DTC in memory. Understanding the components involved and where they are located is essential for effective troubleshooting. The next sections will detail the components affected by this DTC and guide you through the troubleshooting process. The DTC B1647 pertains specifically to the passenger's door left front antenna circuit, which is crucial for several electronic functions within the Honda Accord. The primary components involved in this error are the body control module and the front passenger's door LF antenna. The body control module is an essential computer within the vehicle, responsible for managing multiple electrical systems, including door locks, lighting, and in this case, the antenna circuit. The front passenger's door LF antenna is a part of the keyless access system, enabling the vehicle to recognize the key fob when in proximity. Located within the front passenger's door, this antenna is integrated with the outer handle, making it both accessible and integral to opening the vehicle's doors. When a short circuit is detected in this antenna circuit, it can create issues with door locking and unlocking, prompting the storage of the DTC. Three primary causes can lead to the triggering of the DTC B1647. First, a shorted wire in the antenna circuit can result from damage or wear, causing the circuit to fail and the body control module to detect an abnormality. This can happen due to corrosion, wear from physical contact, or exposure to moisture. Second, a faulty body control module can directly impact the operation of the antenna circuit. If internal components within the module malfunction, it can misinterpret signals, leading to the storage of error codes. Third, the antenna itself can be defective or fail entirely. If the front passenger's door LF antenna isn't functioning correctly, it may not send or receive signals properly, which can obstruct the keyless entry system and trigger the DTC. Identifying the root cause requires a systematic approach to testing each component in the circuit. Experiencing symptoms related to the DTC B1647 can indicate underlying issues with the passenger's door LF antenna circuit. The most prominent symptom is a malfunction in the keyless entry system, where the vehicle may not respond to the key fob when in proximity. Consequently, the owner may struggle to unlock or lock the doors electronically, which can be frustrating and inconvenient. Additionally, there may be sporadic or complete failure in the electronic operation of door locking, especially on the front passenger's door. In many cases, when the body control module detects a fault, it automatically triggers the DTC, which will be stored in the system memory. This stored DTC can be read during diagnostic checks, aiding technicians in identifying the source of the problem. Observing these symptoms helps narrow down the potential malfunction and emphasizes the need for thorough inspection and repair. The first step in troubleshooting DTC B1647 involves performing a self-check using the HDS or Honda Diagnostic System tool. This involves connecting your diagnostic tool to the vehicle's OBD2 port. The HDS will initiate a communication check with various control modules, including the body control module and the keyless access control unit. The purpose of this self-check is to confirm if any DTCs are present and to validate the communication integrity of the systems involved. Once the self-check is complete, you will receive diagnostic data that can highlight issues beyond just the stored DTC B1647. Reviewing this data is crucial for identifying other potential faults that may simultaneously exist, thus allowing parts to be ordered or immediate repairs to be made efficiently. After performing the HDS self-check, the next step is to inspect the external circuit related to the front passenger's door LF antenna. Check the wiring for any visible signs of wear, fraying, or damage, which could indicate a short circuit. Having multiple wires shorted together is a common issue that may result from environmental factors or accidental damage during repairs. It's important to specifically test the signal lines EXT, FRAS, and EXT, FRAS, ensuring they aren't shorted to ground or to each other. Use a multimeter to check the resistance. Normal conditions should reflect above 1 mOhm. If a short or ground fault is detected, the wiring in this section will need repair or replacement to ensure proper functionality of the antenna circuit. In this step, you will focus on inspecting the body control module, which is critical to the operation of the LF antenna circuit. Begin by disconnecting the front passenger's door LF antenna connector and then conducting a module internal circuit inspection. Turn on the ignition to the appropriate mode and check for any voltage outputs. A normal inspection result will show expected voltage levels at the module's terminals. If the voltage does not meet specifications, it could indicate an internal failure of the body control module itself, which may require replacement. The diagnostics for the body control module may include tests for proper voltage input and output, ensuring that the module is functioning correctly and is free of internal circuit issues. Finally, if all previous inspections suggest normal conditions with the wiring and body control module, the last step is to inspect the front passenger's door LF antenna itself. This evaluation will confirm whether the antenna is causing the issue. Depending on the diagnosis, if the body control module and wiring tests are both clear, it may be necessary to replace the antenna component. This inspection typically involves checking for any physical damage or malfunction that could hinder its performance in signal transmission or reception. If the antenna is indeed found faulty, replacing it will remedy the circuit short and restore full functionality to the keyless access features of the vehicle. Once all relevant repairs have been made and components replaced as necessary, it's crucial to perform a final repair verification to ensure that the issue causing DTC B1647 has been resolved. Start by clearing the DTC from the system using the HDS tool. Then turn the ignition off and restart the vehicle. After clearing the DTC, conduct a thorough road test while checking if the keyless entry system operates effectively without any interruptions. It's essential to verify that both locking and unlocking functions work as intended from the key fob, ensuring the original performance of the vehicle's electronic door locks has been restored. This final step confirms that the entire repair process was successful and that the vehicle is now free of faults related to the LF antenna circuit. Preventive maintenance is crucial in ensuring reliability for electronic components, including the front passenger's door antenna circuit. Regular wiring inspections can help detect potential issues such as abrasions and corrosion before they become significant problems. In addition, using protective measures against moisture, such as applying sealants or ensuring proper gaskets, can significantly reduce the risk of corrosion affecting the wiring and connectors. Consider scheduling periodic inspections of antenna functionality as part of regular vehicle maintenance, as this can identify any degradation in performance. Keeping components clean and dry will ensure optimal operation of the keyless entry system, prolonging the life of related electronic parts and ultimately preventing the recurrence of issues like the DTC B1647. In summary, addressing DTC B1647 requires understanding its impact on the passenger's door LF antenna circuit and how it influences the vehicle's electronic functionalities. Identifying all affected components early, such as the body control module and antenna, enables systematic troubleshooting that is effective and efficient. Following thorough inspection steps ensures that you narrow down the issue accurately to either wiring, module faults, or major faults, or antenna failures. Moreover, implementing regular maintenance practices can prevent similar issues from recurring and extend the lifespan of critical electronic components. Such preventative actions will not only enhance customer satisfaction by ensuring the vehicle operates smoothly, but also reduce the likelihood of future diagnostics and repairs. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.